Step the right leg back about a leg's width apart. We're going to imagine that we're spreading the ground apart with our feet. Engage the legs by lifting the toes, lifting the kneecaps, and spreading the mat apart with your feet. This action really helps engage our abductors. Start bending in the knees and turn the feet out away from you, making sure that the knees are stacked above the ankles, and engage in the core and bring your arms out to the side and maybe even overhead. Sitting down into our goddess pose, inhaling and exhaling, keeping the abdominals tight, and then standing up. Shift the hips to the left, roll over onto the right side as you press up with your left hand. We're going to come up to the top of our mat and prepare for a mountain pose. Feet are hip distance apart and the spine comes into a neutral position. Shoulders come up towards the ears and relax down the spine as the chin drops towards the chest and the crown rises towards the ceiling. Bring a bend in the knees, letting the hands slide down the thighs and eventually touching the floor. Let the seat come towards the ceiling, bend in the knees, and step the right foot back. Drop the right foot at an angle as you bend in the left knee. Try to lift the toes, lift the kneecap, and engage in the glutes. Bring the hands to the left knee. Keep the torso pointed ahead of you. Bring the hands out to the sides and raise them up towards the sky if you want to. And keeping the knee bent, sit deeper into your warrior one. Inhale and exhale, keeping the glutes engaged. Cinch the frontal hip points together so that you create stability and balance in this pose. Bring the hands to the knee, then bending in the knees, touch the ground. Step the back leg forward. Inhale through the nose. Exhale, raise the seat towards the ceiling. Bend in the knees and step the left foot back, keeping the heel raised if you need to. Keeping the knees bent, inhale and exhale. Cinch the frontal hip points together. Bring the hands to the knee. Keep the back foot at an angle. Inhale and exhale, cinching the frontal hip points together, keeping the abdominals engaged. Hands to the side and then raise towards the ceiling. Inhale and exhale, sitting deeper into your warrior one, making sure that the shoulders don't create any unnecessary tension in the neck. Bring the shoulders behind you, maybe even in a cactus pose. Bring the hands to the knees and then the floor. Bend in the knee and step forward. We're going to come to sitting on the ground, and we're going to prepare for our wide leg forward fold. Sitting on the ground, we're going to bring our legs out wide, making sure to flex the feet, bringing the hands in front of you. Inhale up, and then exhale, spidering the hands away to come deeper into our forward fold. Inhale up, rising through the crown of the head, and then bowing once more forward, and maybe coming to your elbows. Try not to let the neck become tense, keeping the shoulders relaxed down the spine. Breathe in through the nose and exhaling through the nose, letting each breath be longer than the last. Inhale and exhale, shifting the weight onto our left foot, maybe raising the toes. Bring the right foot to the tippy toes. And inhale and exhale, engage in the core. Bring the right foot to the right hand. Inhale the left hand towards the sky. Engage in the belly and press that right foot into the right hand to come into your dancer as we bend forward. Inhale and exhale, and then releasing the foot towards the floor. Shift to the right side. Inhale the right arm up. Come onto the left tippy toes as we bend the left knee and grab it with our left hand. Inhale, right arm up, and exhale, pressing that left leg into the left hand as we bend forward into our dancer. And then releasing the leg. Stretch the legs out in front of you. Bend the left leg so that the foot comes to the inner thigh of the right leg. Inhale up, crown towards the ceiling. Exhale, coming down towards the knee, keeping the feet flexed. Inhale up, And exhale, coming down deeper, trying to get the head to the knee. Inhale into the back body, feeling the back rise. And exhale, coming back up, let the left leg become long. Bend the right leg so that the foot comes towards the inner thigh. Inhale up, the crown comes towards the ceiling. And exhale, coming down so that the head reaches towards the left foot, keeping the feet flexed. Inhale up, and then exhale, pulling the belly up over the thigh as the head comes more towards the knee, making sure that the neck is loose of any tension. Inhale and exhale.
Hi, I'm sure you enjoyed watching this video. Please click on the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and watch more interesting videos.